Several Indian cattle rearers are up in arms over the notice to demolish their cowsheds and storerooms in West Country Estate near Kajang.
Ini dua kandang juga dia orang selalu kasih hal. Sebelah semua orang kandang ada macam-macam orang menjaga, dia orang tak kacau.
Their representative, S. Apawu, says there are about 30 settlers carrying out cattle rearing, aquaculture farming and other activities in the 3-acre site which belongs to the Selangor PKNS. He says the problem started when they were served notice in October to vacate the area, following which an appeal was made.
Saya sini berenang dari sampai sekarang 54 tahun pada saya bapa punya tangga. Sampai sekarang kita sini menjaga, ini lembu semua kita jaga baik-baik. Susu angkat semua lembu berenang. Sekarang dia mari kacau ini tambah panggil kita balik.
Apawu says last Thursday, a team of enforcement officers came to tear down a cowshed and a storeroom. He says the owners protested and following negotiation was given a 2-week extension. Apawu was relating the incident to MIC youth leader T. Mohan and Selangor BN youth leader Engku Muhammad Saleh Engku Abdul Jamal during a visit to the site on Friday. Mohan says they plan to submit a memorandum to the state government and Menteri Besar Tan Sri Khalid Ibrahim in 2 weeks' time against such victimization.